In this video, I am going to show you how to connect a smart projector to a laptop. So first thing, there are two options to do so. There is the wired connection and the wireless connection if your projector supports it. So for the wired connection, it's very easy. You'll have just to connect with an HDMI cable. So connects one end as an example of the HDMI cable into your laptop and the other end into the projector HDMI in port. If your laptop only use USB-C or USB-C to, or another example USB, you may need a USB-C to HDMI adapter or depending on what you have. Then you would like to turn on the projector as example, wait for it until it's finished starting up, then press the source or input button on the remote. Select your HDMI key, or HDMI 1 or 2, depending on which one, depending on where the cable is connected, and your laptop screen should appear after a few seconds. So on Windows though, you'll have to either click on settings, click on display and select as an example, extend or duplicate the display, or you can just click on Windows plus P and this small screen at the top or at the right will appear. And then you can choose duplicate to show the same screen or extend to use the projector as a second display if you want to. And the other option basically connects wirelessly. If your projector supports wireless display, you can connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. On Windows, you can just go to settings, display, and you'll find connect to a wireless display. And from there, you can select your projector from the list. Make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi though, and wait for the connection. Some projectors, of course, may also require their own companion app. So if your projector requires that, make sure to download it. And yeah, that's how you connect a smart projector to a laptop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.